It's 7:36 right now, guys. Oh, 37, my fault. And I'm right here with.
And yeah, fishing. Y'all make sure to subscribe.
Y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel, guys. He just started fishing, and he's already a pro, right? You think you a pro?
I'm a pro. You know why?
Why?
Cause Anya.
What are we doing today, man?
We are fishing, night fishing, day fishing.
Anyways, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're headed out to the Galveston Island. We're gonna go see if we can catch some big bull reds because the water is disgusting and the wind is
nasty.
We're gonna see if we can catch some big bull reds. We're headed to Galveston, right? We're gonna go fish the Galveston fishing pier. We're gonna buy some bull red. No, we're gonna buy some mullets, some crabs,
Red Bull,
and some Red Bulls because we might get tired out there. Oh, it's the jack! It's the jack! It's the jack, bro! We're going right in that corner. Another beautiful chunk. I need you to pull him back. I need you to pull him back. Get behind me. Get behind me.
come on towards us. You got this. You got.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get this one, just like that. And let's go ahead and send it out.
Am I recording?
Oh yeah, that's perfect bait.
Can you eat these?
Yeah. You want to eat it right now? Catch and cook on the pier. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and send it out on a lovely piece of chunk. Beautiful cast. Here we go. We're going right in that corner. There we go. All right, guys. So that guy right there gave us these right here, and these are probably one of the best baits for these reds. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them up
And throw them out.
There we go, guys. Got one right here.
Red. There we go.
There we go, guys. I think he's swimming towards me. Got the first fish, guys.
Jack them up.
Right after my bait drop, the first one. Woo wee. Feels good. You wanna go get the drop leader?
Huh?
You wanna go get the drop leader? It's on the front.
Yeah. You got the red?
Yeah, I got it. Putting up a good fight, guys. Look at that. Yeah. What's up? Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm shooting right in front of me.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I need a drop net. Please. Man, he's got a beautiful color on him. Yeah, real golden. Hopefully I don't jinx it. He comes right off.
Yeah, bro. What is it?
It's a bull red.
Bull red. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah.
Appreciate
you
it.
using?
Mullet?
Mullet?
Yes,
Damn,
sir.
I knew it.
Mullet?
Mullet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That other stuff you got, man, that's great bait. The smaller ones, yeah, cut them up and send them out there.
But I need like a big hook.
Nah, man, you don't really need a big hook. Just make sure you set the hook on them once you... You can go ahead and drop it right under. I'll bring them to you. Pull him up. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, he's tangled up. Get him in. Get him in. Come over. Try to lift. Hold on, hold on. Oh, I think it's tangled. Pull him. There you go. Pull him up. There you go. Yes. All right. Nice. Probably got tangled up pretty good on there. Watch the rod behind you, Isaac. Woo! Woo!
Sir, we got a golden nugget.
Golden nugget.
Golden nugget.
Right under. A drum?
Yeah. Is he a bull or not?
Yeah, fish. Yeah, I know, man. It's got a nice color on him.
Heck yeah, it does. Nice catch, brother.
Yeah, dude.
So stoked.
Man, you did good.
That's beautiful.
I'm going to remove the weight so I can...
Are those good to eat too, or what?
Yeah, but this one's a little bit too big. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm,
Keep it though?
yeah, but I'm gonna throw them back.
You are?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like keeping these big because they bring a lot of eggs. So
Yeah. Good call. Whoa, look at that hook you were using.
yeah,
Nice. You got him good.
it is, guys.
catch. Yeah.
On the shark hook.
Pretty good. Nice catch, dude.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah. I love where you hooked him right on the bottom.
Yeah, right on the bottom.
Go.
All right, guys. Here's the first bull red on the pier. A beautiful mullet. Y'all check out the color on him. Look at that
You're gonna take him inside? Go take him inside. Go get a picture.
Yeah, let him take
Let's
a
go.
picture. I promise
Yeah.
we'll put you on the wall. We'll make the picture.
All right. All right, let's go. Your rod is out there?
It's a nice color. Yeah, that's why they want to go. I told you I was coming back.
Alright.
Brandon from Dubai.
Got it, Dilly. 35 and a half.
Yes, sir.
42. 42.
All right, guys.
Go ahead and throw him in.
Here's the final one.
Wait, hold up. I want a picture of my phone. What is it? Do you measure
35? 35 and a half?
Ready? All right,
Yeah.
we're gonna send them back
Throw 'em.
in.
What?
There we go. Nah, you do. Tying up the drag. He's barely running. He's barely running.
Am I recording?
Let me see. Set the hook on him. Set the hook on him. There you go. Slowly, slowly. Ooh, that's a good one.
This one's big.
Look, look, look. Watch my line. Watch my lines. Go under. Come this way. All the way to the other side. Hold on. Slowly, slowly. Here, come over this one too. Come over this one.
It's big red.
Okay, hold on. I'm under. Slowly, fight him slow. Oh, he's gonna be a big one.
This one's big.
That's a big boy.
That's bigger than your last one. Yeah.
It's a big boy right here. Fight him slow. Tying up the drag slowly. Not too much. Yeah, it's a bigger one.
Heck yeah, it is.
If he fights, you let him go. Let's hear that drag, maybe. Let's hear that drag. But somebody did want to come fishing today.
Nobody wanted to come. I didn't want to come.
He didn't want to come. I was like, come on, man, it's a good time.
After this, now
Yeah.
he wants to come. Heck yeah. Grab the net. I got the net right here.
Oh, that's a big boy. Here, get on top of this.
On the new rod.
He's breaking in the new rod today, guys. Don't. Oh, whoa.
Now I got it.
Oh, somebody's rods going on right there.
Oh yeah, there's another rod going crazy right there.
Hey, look. He's going this way.
Okay. Yeah, come under it again. Fight him slow. You take your time on him. All right, you going over this one again? Go under.
He's getting tired.
Nah,
That means
I don't even.
No, he's not tired.
I think you're
is
getting
that me
tired.
that's tired?
That's you.
Or that's him?
That size fish, you can do that all day.
Woo-wee.
I think it's a jack.
Oh my.
It's a
look at
jack.
that run.
You.
Nice.
Oh.
What?
Slowly.
Sir?
He's still here.
Yeah.
Thought he walked out the
I
door
want
or
to get
what?
a picture inside. But I think we need to get him up first.
Get him up. Get him up. Oh, it's a jack! It's a jack! It's a jack, bro! Slowly. Calm out. Hey,
Come this way.
he can break you off
Don't
anytime.
pull
Take
too
it
hard.
easy.
Don't
Take
pull
it
too
easy.
hard.
It's a
Calm
jack.
down.
It's a jack, bro! Woo! Woo!
Stop pulling for a second. Come down
Hey,
the side.
walk
Come down
over
this
there. Oh, he's going over. Go. What?
side. You got it, brother.
Oh!
We got the net.
Hold on.
Oh, it's a jack!
Here, I
thought you were lying.
Here, I got it.
This is my first one. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Give me some.
Yes.
I got it. I need you.
Oh my God.
Hey, I need you to lift him up. Hey,
Right here?
Hold on.
Your line's still out here.
Yeah, let it go.
Leave him there. That's good. Oh my God.
Hey. Calm out. Take
I
it easy.
loosen the drag a
No.
little?
He's going this way, guys.
If he goes under, you need to pull him up. Hold on. Take it easy.
Stay there. Don't pull anymore.
Pull that way.
Hold on.
Pull back towards you.
Reel in a little bit. You got a good hook on him, brother. He's coming this way.
Where'd I go?
Pull him. Come. Reel.
He's okay. He's coming that way.
Hold on. Oh my God, I'm all tangled up
You
now.
were so close, dude. Here. Shoot.
All right, I'm gonna need you to tighten
You're
up
on
that
the
drag.
net. You're on the straight.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna need you to tighten it up a little bit more, just a tiny bit.
Look. Hold on. He's tired.
All right, he's tired.
He's tired. Come on, baby.
I need him to turn this way. I need you to pull him up.
Take your
Dude,
time.
I'm tangled up.
Hold on.
Damn, I'm tangled up with the damn line. Reel him up. Don't leave slack on him.
He's tired for sure. For the net.
Yeah. If you can.
Okay, wait. You don't want to go under.
I'll keep an eye. Keep going.
Keep reeling, or you'll lose him. Damn. You still on him?
It's okay.
Where's he at? I need you to tighten it up.
He's still on him.
Go. Come on. Damn, he's way in there, dude. Look. Pull that way now, because you're gonna lose him. Pull him up.
He's on the inside. He's fine. Hold the net there.
I can't get the net and get off of
You're
it.
fine.
Right there.
Pull it up.
Ah,
Oh crap! So close.
Pull him out.
So close.
Right there.
No.
Pull it up.
Dude, the net.
Again.
Hold on.
Get it down.
I need you to pull him back. Isaac,
Pull him up
get behind me.
Pull him up towards us. You got this.
Pull forward.
There you go. Oh, so close. Keep pulling.
He came up.
Oh my God, bro. All right, everybody, we are done for today. We're headed back home. Man, I feel I'm gonna take all the blame on that one. For some reason, that jack just wrapped around that net, and I just couldn't. Every time he'd come around me, he just kept going around and around, and I couldn't get a good lift on him. He came probably too real close, but I don't know. It was real weird the way he was going around that net. I couldn't lift him up, but we'll get him for sure at the Freeport Jetties, man. Hopefully Sunday they'll be out there, so y'all stay tuned for that. Thank y'all so much for all the support. Till next time, guys.
Peace. He owes me a jack.